Hello everybody, now we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sedicus 5th edition. This is question number 6.17 and the question is determine the equivalent capacitance for each of the circuits given in the figure. So we'll take them one by one. So for this first problem or first circuit, we can find the equivalent capacitance. So when you consider this, these two capacitance are connected in series. So whenever they are connected in series, we have to calculate it as 12 into 4 divided by 12 plus 4, right? So that is equal to how much? 48 divided by 16. So this is equal to 3 farad. Now we can draw the circuit like this is 4 farad. Then you get the 3 farad. Here you have the 6 farad and the series combination of this 12 and 4 resulted in 3 farad. So now when you look at this 3, 6, 3, these are all in parallel, right? So you can add them together to get the combination. So this 3 plus 6 plus 3, that is equal to 12 farad. So you have the combination now becomes this is 4 and then here you have this 12. These are all in series, right? So how do you write the series combination? It is 4 into 12 divided by 4 plus 12. So it is nothing but the same thing, right? 3 farad. So what's the answer? Here across this terminals you will be having the equivalent capacitance as 3 farad. This is your answer. Now consider the second circuit. For the second circuit we need to find out the equivalent, right? So here this 4 and 2 are in parallel. So when you have the parallel combination, just you have to add them. So it becomes 6. Okay, 6 farad. So the modified form of circuit would be like 6 farad. Here you have this 5 farad and this combination is 6. So now this 6 farad and 6 farad are in series, isn't it? So when you have them as series, it is reduced to half because you have the same value, right? Or you can also put it like the 6 into 6 divided by 6 plus 6. How much it is? 36 by 12, and that is nothing but 3. So by simply looking at this, if you have the same values available and you want to find the series combination, just reduce it by half, right? So it is 3. So that you can redraw the circuit like this is 5 farad and then you have here this 3 farad. So both are connected in parallel, right? 3 farad and 5 farad are connected in parallel. So what is the equivalent value? It's just summing them together. So it is 8 farad. So the answer is here. The equivalent value at this point is it is 8 farad. That is the C equivalent here. Here the C equivalent is 3 farad. Okay. Now moving on to the third circuit. This one we have to solve, right? So for this case, first let's find out the series combination of these two. So series combination of these two will be giving you 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6, right? So it is 18 by 9, that is equal to 2 farad. And then if you draw the modified circuit, here you have this 2 farad, then you have this 2 farad which we have found out as the combination of the series capacitances. Then here you have this 4 farad, then here the 3 farad is connected, right? This is the modified one. So here if you look at this 4, this 2 and 4 farad are in parallel, right? So if you have the parallel combination, just add them. So it is 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6 farad. So now you can redraw the circuit like this. This is 2 farad and then you have the 6 farad and then you have this 3 farad. So here you have the series combination. So here you have the series combination of these capacitances. So series combination, how do you calculate it? This can be calculated as C equivalent, right? The C equivalent is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3, the inverse. Like that we can calculate. So if you take the common denominator here, this becomes 3 plus this becomes 1 and this becomes 2 to the power minus 1. So it is nothing but 6 by 6, right? So that is equal to 1 anyhow. Inverse now. Anyhow it is 1. So here the C equivalent value is 1 farad. So this becomes 1 farad. The answer for the C equivalent here is 1 farad. Okay, that's all. Hope you have understood.